All right, so I just picked up a pair of air filters for my Honda here. These are cabin air filters. First thing you'll want to do to get to them is open your glove box, and you have these two tangs here, which you're going to need to pull out. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. That's all you do. Just let that drop. And there's your access door for your air filters. Pull that cover off, and then grab each air filter and just pull it out. So I'm just going to set them both here. They're both pretty bad, as you can see. This one looks pretty bad too. So with both of the old cartridges out, what you're going to do is carefully pull these nasty filters out, stick those in the trash, and one by one, noting that the airflow arrows are down, stick them back in, just like that. Slide it back into place. Now we'll do the other filter. Arrows are pointing down correctly on this one too. So make sure these go back in just the same. Of course, make sure this is flush. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Apologize for that. And there we go. And grab your filter door, throw that back on, and turn the AC on. Oh yeah, that's a huge difference. There's much more airflow. There was hardly any before. Well, I mean, there was some, but it's not like it is now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Pretty simple. You all stay classy.